Good day to all super momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Today, I'm going to show to you something very interesting to me, and I hope you will like it. Super Momshies! Today, I am going to show you how to create a flower vase out of Tetra Pak of milk, you know, because my kids are fan of drinking fresh milk, and I have a lot of milk Tetra Paks. I don't know if that is the correct description of that, and if you have other words about the pack of fresh milk, then you can just leave it at the comment section. And this is combination of gypsum powder. So if you are ready, we're going to start now. So this is the milk which my kids usually drink, and almost every day I have to throw like this kind of Tetra Pak. So as I've said, if you have any other words about this, because I cannot say box or whatever, what I know, this is Tetra Pak, okay? So I cut already 4 pieces of this out of this milk. This one, we are going to connect it with masking tape. So here we go. This is the design I cut. So if you have other design also, you can do it. So not necessary for you to follow this one. Okay, so we will just tape it, you know, it will be tape it like this. We have to tape completely from side to side. So this is now the third until we will connect the 4 sides to create the base. Now this is the last side for us to connect it. Alright. So it looks like this now. So we're going also to cut for this bottom. So we're going to attach also. Alright, super momshies, it will be look like this. So it's time for us to mix the gypsum powder with water. Okay? So this is the gypsum powder, so we will just mix it with the water. So we took the consistency, should be no lumps, as much as we can. Then we're going to pour it inside. From that we will just roll it. until be sure that you filled every gaps. It should be spread evenly. Then after, we're going to repeat the process until it will be spread. See, this is you can hear some sound. So see, it's still not how you call it, it not yet evenly spread the product. So we're going to mix another to finalize. Alright, Super Momshies, we will try our luck if I made it. So we will just completely make it dry before we will put colors. I want to put something like silver, but we need to let it dry completely. So this is how it looks like. I mess up my home, but I'm happy because at least I've done something new today. So we will just wait the Super Momshies to dry completely so we can do the painting. Now this is the result, already dried. This is what I had used and trying to level some little bit imperfection. So before I'm going to spray with silver, I just want to use this one, this Stucco filler. This is Stucco filler, but this is not sponsored. It's disclaimer. Okay, so after that I use this buffer. Actually this they're using it for nail, but you can use foam, but I don't want to use the foam. I want to use this one just to create like this. After making this one, you let it dry. Okay, super Momshies, it's already dried, ready to put color if you want to put color. So as I've said a while ago, I want to spray this with silver paint. Okay, so let's proceed. So this is the spray that I'm going to use it. We have to shake first before spraying. Okay, so we already sprayed. Let it dry before we will see the final result. Okay, super Momshies, this is it. We have one gold, we have silver. Before we will end this video, I would like to shout out to everybody, subscribers and non-subscribers and silent viewers, and to those who did not yet subscribe, give me a thumbs up, subscribe now, press the notification bell for more new videos update. And whoever will watch this video, I hope you will be happy. And again, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Babushi.